So another related concept that we just introduced quickly is called IEP, isoelectrical point. Isoelectric point is actually closely related to the um, PZC, point of zero charge, and you sometimes you see them used interchangeably. It means a concept that describes the condition, typically what? pH, typically pH, when zeta potential. We're talking about here it's less so about the total charge density, but the zeta potential, which is the electrostatic potential at the boundary between shear surface, or roughly the interface between stern layer, closed packed layer relatively, versus the diffuse layer, is zero. The zeta potential is zero. That's the IEP. And often it is just the negative decimal logarithm. Negative decimal logarithm. Think of pH. The proton concentration, we take a decimal logarithm, and then we take the negative sign. We get pH of a potential determined ion in solution when the net charge density is zero. So essentially what we are saying is the point PZC is roughly the IEP, but IEP specifically is for what? Zeta potential.